This is our second attempt at tummy time, and he actually enjoys it today. He's doing a lot better with holding his neck up. He's really taking in all the little things that there are to see on his mat here. And looking back and forth. What you see, buddy? He's just looking left and right. You gonna talk to him? Hi! He's got his legs up in the air. He's balancing on his tummy. Oh, there goes the drool. Hi! This is as long as he's been on his stomach, I think. You gonna talk to those toys? See that teddy bear? Whoa! Superman! Oh, I guess we reached our threshold. Okay.